Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Alex Russo's outfit from Wizards of Waverly Place on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just the hair for this. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this in this color in only bangs. Position the X to 0.47, Y 0.45, Z 0.53, and scale to 0.43, and I used this hair in the same color in no bangs. Then for the outfit, I used this top here in this pattern. She has like a ladybug like pattern on, but there's no pattern like that, so I used this because it's super cute. Grab this top as well and color it black. Then I'm going to grab this top over here too. This kind of dress slash top. I don't know. Why can I not find it? Hold on. Okay, it's this one here. And use that same pattern. Grab these jeans. I'm just going to leave the color like this. Then I'm going to grab these boots in knee length. Then I'm just going to grab this for the wand and I'm just going to color it black. And that is Alex Russo. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. If you want, you can add on an extra belt to make it more Alex. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!